Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the divide formula in Excel the easy way. In this example, I have values in column C and column D that I want to divide. In the first column, I have total sales, and in the second column, I have total number of orders. In column E, I want to determine the average order value by dividing the total sales by the total number of orders. To begin, I'll select cell E4. I'll start with equals. This tells Excel that I want to enter a formula. Next, I can either type in C4 or select it with my mouse. This is the total sales of $450. Then I'll enter the symbol for division, which is the slash. I'll then type in cell D4 or select it with my mouse. This is the total number of orders, which is 9. Finally, I'll click enter. We now know the average value per order on Monday was $50. Now we could do the same thing for each of the remaining rows, but there's a much quicker way. Since we've already done the formula once, we can get Excel to duplicate it automatically for the remaining rows. Here's the easy way to do it. I'll highlight cell E4, and if you look at the bottom right of the cell, you'll see a square. If you put your mouse pointer over it until it turns into a plus sign, you can then double-click it and it will copy the formula to the remaining rows. We now know the average order value for all the sales for the week. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks again and have an excellent day.